Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well and enjoying the best condition of health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I talk about different colors and different designs of beautiful high heel sandals for the ladies with different length. So in this video, I am going to tell you about shining Miss Women sandals from all European, American, Italian, German, United States, Taiwan, Mexico, Christians, different countries high heel sandals for the ladies and the girls. Very elegant and attractive designs and stylish areas with beautiful nails, with beautiful stripy, with beautiful beads, designs, colors, high heel sandals for the ladies. Red, white, black, blue, brown, purple, pink, golden, different colors, different designs, high heel sandals for the ladies. Elegant block buckle, peep toe, stiletto from London, high heel sandals for the ladies. Sexy and pretty high heel sandals, metallic high heel sandals, crystal embroidery platform high heel sandals to wear at different places and different parties, for example dance parties, evening parties and marriage parties. So dear friends, I suggest you to watch this video till the end for more designs and more ideas. So dear friends, update wardrobe with these glamorous beautiful high heel sandals. When you wear of these stylish sandals, you can look more beautiful and more confident. So dear friends, if you want to buy them online, then I will tell you the best website from where you can buy them from Amazon.com, ab.com and aliexpress.com. In this video, these different high heel sandals and trendy footwears, beautiful sword colors, beautiful stylish ideas, which is about the latest trending ideas from all over the world for women of 2022. All these collections of these pointed, open and square toe high heel sandals you can use to make your personality elegant and gorgeous and to look younger, beautiful. So dear friends, if you are fashion lovers and you want to know the latest beautiful high heel sandals and trendy footwears and beautiful shoes collections, trends in fashion, then subscribe my channel. And if you have already subscribed my channel, then please press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my upcoming and uploading videos. So dear friends, if you like my video, then share with your friends, families and relatives. So friends, also tell me in the comment section that trendy, how was the videos and how was the designs. So goodbye friends, till the next video. See you soon with another beautiful next video about from different foreign countries, high heel sandals for the ladies and the girls from London, all European countries. Allah Hafiz.